Hello everyone. Today I got a shipment from this company here. It's called Canvas. This is for creator to use when they create things because it has a lamp and a place to put the phone here so you can record through here. And this is the first day that I install. It was very easy to install and the product is really high quality. And so let me demonstrate what it has. So this is the power button. It has 4 buttons, a power on and off, a minus, and a switch, and a plus. So there's actually 3 settings. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There was the 3 settings. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is the warm one. And I will need the brightest, which is this one, and then I would do the plus so that it would get brighter and brighter for easy for me to see. And pretty soon I will put my phone right here to demonstrate what it looks like through here. So as you can see, it has this plate here. It's for magnets. This one I have to purchase separately. It does not come with the lamp. The thing that comes with it is this thing. So I wanted this, so it cost me another $30-ish. So then my phone would just clip onto here. There you go. So then I can adjust, and I can also move angle. I can also move up or down, get really close, and it's very stable. It's very stable. And imagine if I do something here, it's very stable, and the light doesn't flicker like my old one, my cheap one. So let's see what else I can show you. So yeah, this is I'm very happy with it so far. I can't wait to create something and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I just took my phone off of this surface, and as you can see, this is the adjustment I made, and I can just lift it up if I want to as high, and this one also rotates this way as well. So yes, and one more thing that I wanted to mention, this one it moved, so then it's perfect if you wanted to change the angle. So that was really amazing that they have it like this. And this is actually weighted, it's heavy, so it doesn't like fall over. So that's really a good feature to have on the Creator lamp. So yes, I love it so far. This is a 10 out of 10. Even though the price was a lot higher, it was quite expensive, I got it a good deal. I think I paid $150 plus this extra one is $30, so I think I spent $180 for this, but normally it would be like $200 or more. I think a little bit more, but yes, it is an investment that will pay off later. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.